Now I'm ready. I sound a little like Darth Vader. Let's see if I can clean this up a bit. It gets a little dusty. Yeah, I am covered in dust. Let me get the fan back on. I was trying to get around this socket here. There we go. Well, that went pretty good, actually. Alright. I guess I'll start on the other side. And that was about 30 minutes, it looks like. So, I'm figuring it'll probably be another 30 minutes for up there, for the upper part of the walls. So let's say 2 hours for the, north and south walls. Almost done with the west wall. The east loft, that'll probably be an hour from beginning to end. Other than that, thank you for watching. I'm going to continue letting this run and see if I can stay on schedule. It's actually 30 minutes and 47 seconds right now. So, I'm going to do this other wall, and then we'll see what happens. Well, production quality is a little low. little worn. It's really dusty in here. Well, I'm gonna go get a drink, so thank you for spending time with me today, and I hope you'll come back. Oh, sorry about that. The headphones, I couldn't even tell I had the fan on. Anyways. Thank you for spending time with me today. I'll see you next time. Welcome back! Room's done. We got about 95% of it sanded. I got the floor vacuumed. And it's been a long day, and the sun is going over the horizon. So, all I got left is to get all of the walls wiped down with a sponge. That'll take care of the rest. And then I can break out the spray painter. And all I have to do is, pretty much I'll just tape off this window, put a little bit more plastic on these two lights, wrap the Fujitsu conditioner heater up there, and I will spray away. Welcome back. It's a new day. I may have been a little premature in stating that I was almost done. I guess because of exhaustion and or the fact that I was working with waning light, I found a lot more to do. Yeah. So, since about 9:30 this morning, I have been... This wall and that wall have both been wiped down with a sponge. I was able to wipe down that part of the ceiling and that over there. I found quite a bit there where you can see the wet plaster, where I put it up poorly. So I have only myself to blame. And up in the loft area where you'll be able to see it quite well, I really missed a lot. So I am still on. I mean, I had planned to be done quite a few hours ago and to start working on the other side of this wall, determining where I'm going to put the door to the bathroom. Never a dull moment. This is the nicest I can say of a money pit. I just keep sinking money into this place and time. Actually, not so much money, just time. I am amazed at how quick the days go when I'm working on this place. Oh, look at that. Looks like a manicure. So, I've been up and down this so many times today I can't even count. I can barely lift my right arm above my head because I've been standing on the ladder for the last probably 2.5 hours, yeah. And I would love to be outside. It is a lovely, gorgeous day out there. And I would rather be hiking pretty much anywhere. So, well, that's today's update. I apologize, I have very little to show for the last 6 hours worth of work. However, I hope to have more done later or on future videos. So, again, You have a wonderful, blessed day, and I will say goodbye.